Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, the simple task of soaking floral foam. Sounds simple, but there are specific techniques. Start with a tub of water. Have it pre-mixed with flower food so that it's ready to go. Then just set your foam directly on the surface. Don't push it down. Don't turn it over. Don't add water over the top. Just let it sit and patiently wait. I know that's the hardest part. Let it sit and soak and submerge all by itself. When it's done, you'll see that the color is totally darkened, totally green, and that shows you that you have total saturation. There's no air pockets, no dry spots. Once it is totally saturated, you can stand it on end, you can do whatever you want. But when you're soaking it, just let it sit, let it submerge all by itself. Professional tips for you, the professional florist.